Hello everybody, that Techy guy back again, and today I have a package I've been waiting for a very long time, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, here we go guys. Let's go ahead and get into the meat here. And we are gonna just pull this open. And what do we have inside? Let's go ahead and let's tear this guy open. Here we go. Alright, oh, I hope it's okay. Let's see what we got inside. Nice pamphlet here. All right. Yeah, that is awesome. You guys, look at that. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. And see here it says, stay hungry, stay foolish. Let's get it out of this box. Wow, check that out. Got the home button, battery, the whole thing taken apart. A4 chip in there. Man, does this look incredible. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to pick one of these up for yourself, I'll have it linked in the description below. That Techy guy checking out.